Hello everybody, hope everybody's doing good. All right, on today's video I'm gonna make a quick one. We're gonna be changing the ignition coil on a 2008 Toyota Sienna. As you can see, it's a V6 engine, so it has 3 here, which is easy to access, and then behind there's another 3, so that's difficult. The behind ones are difficult, so my code shows number 5, cylinder 5. So how you count is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 is in the back. So to access it, it's a little bit more work. Basically, it's not difficult, but it's a little bit more work. So I'll just explain to you what you need to do if you have this job. Otherwise, paying a mechanic is going to cost you more money. So initially, when you open your hood, you're going to have this, the plastic cover and all that. So the first thing you need to do is you have to remove your wipers. So basically there's 2 here, 1, 2, remove the wipers and then fold them up, and then it will slide out easily. As you can see, my wipers are right here. And then make sure you put left, right, which one it is, yeah, so once you do that, just take them out. And then there's a plastic cover here, which is this one. As you can see, this one, so it has a clip. Mine is already broken, the clip in the bottom, like some kind of clip attached to it. If yours is not broken, you have to kind of put a screw from inside, lift it up a little bit, and then push the clip, and then it will come out from here. So easy, just pop off. That's easy part. And next is we have to remove this whole thing. Oh no, before that you have to remove the motor for your wipers. So there is bolt 1 here, 2, 3, and another one, 4. So you have to just remove this thing, that's it. Next is you have to remove this cover. So this cover, so there's many bolts holding it. So there is 1 here, 2, just find the bolts, 3, 4. You just go around, and remove all of the bolts. So it will just another 1, 5 there, and then just remove this. Once you remove this, that's then you're getting closer to have access to the ignition coils there. By the way, when you're changing those, it's better even if you have cylinder 5. My case, even if that one is the one that needs to be replaced, I'm going to replace. Once I do all this, I'm going to replace all of them, because once I have access to that, I don't want to do that do this job again. So I'm just going to replace all the spark plug, also the ignition coil, all 3. Just service that and get it over with. So yeah. Then you do that, you remove this. Next is you have to remove this connection right here. You see here? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, here. Yeah, on some videos I noticed people are draining their coolant, disconnecting the negative battery, all that unnecessary. You don't have to do that, to be honest. My mechanic told me he's done this so many times and he doesn't do that. So you don't have to do all that unnecessary thing. Yeah, so basically the next is you want to disconnect here. 1, 2. So basically you want to disconnect this part. So of course this, if you want, you can remove the airbags, but this basically this plastic all the way up to here, this part need to be disconnected. So once you disconnect that, just follow where the bolts are, just disconnect that. Next is after that you have to remove this. You have to remove this. Not too intimidating, by the way. You have to remove this. I don't know what the name is, but you have to remove this. So how do you remove that? Is you have 1 bolt here, 2, 3, 4, 5, another one here, 6, and then in the back there is 2, 1 on each side. In the back there's bracket. So because you're gonna remove this, you're gonna easily see them. Once you remove this, you're gonna easily see them. So in the back there is 2. Then boom, remove this. After that, easy, you can be able to see all your coils, and then remove the coils. To remove the coils, you have clips here. Just remove that, pop, 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 and then bolt 1, 2, 3, and then take it out. Easy after that. So that's it. And then the rest is just do the reverse, and then you're good to go. Obviously, to access the front, you just remove that plastic cover, and then right there, they're here. But to get to the back ones, you have to remove. Yeah, so basically you have to remove more things, but it's not rocket science. All right, guys, hope this helps. Yeah, hope you take care. All right, ciao.